Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community, my sweet friends, and my viewers? So I hope you all are good and Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my previous videos, supporting me. I'm very happy to see this, and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Please be support me like this and stay tuned with me forever like this, viewers. So secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most popular and trending designs of turtlenecks ideas. It's handmade crochet shirts with designs of turtlenecks. So these designs very trending, so please don't skip this video, watch the video start to end, because this is very helpful video and stunning designs and useful outclass collection. So viewer, I hope you all love this beautiful collection. So viewer, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most amazing collection and most amazing designs. I hope they will love these most popular designs and amazing collection, and very easy to make these designs. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and most amazing designs. Must apply this beautiful collection and make this beautiful design for yourself for more beautiful and amazing look, because it's especially winter collection, viewers. Thank you so much for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet collection, so this is very useful collection for them, and they will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So viewer, if you all love these articles and if you want more and more designs, so like my video, subscribe my channel, please don't forget to press the bell icon for a new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, receive the notification of my recently videos. Be connected with me, friends. Bye bye.